Yo, what's happening? It's Sean Graphics. I'm back with another video. In the last video, I told y'all I was going to teach y'all how to make a thumbnail for a MrBeast type video. I really don't want to waste any of y'all time, so I'm going to get straight into it. First, I searched MrBeast on YouTube to find a thumbnail that I wanted to recreate. And this is the video I found. This is the original thumbnail. This is the thumbnail I created.
In this video, we are building and giving away 100 houses.
You get the picture. First, I downloaded the original thumbnail so I could use it for reference. I'm time-lapsing the video to make it more convenient. If you miss anything, feel free to slow down the video and rewind it. But after downloading the picture, I loaded it into ChatGPT to get a description of the thumbnail. I can use it as a prompt to generate an image of a man. You can see exactly how I did it in the video. After I was done, I copied and pasted it into Leonardo AI. I changed the style of generation to cinematic, and I changed the landscape of the image to 16:9 to get a thumbnail-sized image. After that, I inserted the actual thumbnail as a reference to Leonardo AI. After the images were generated, I loaded them into Photoroom to get the backgrounds removed. I needed the before half of the background image, so I went into Safari and searched drone image of worn down sheds and houses. I changed the search filters to large so I can give me a decent picture, and then after I found the picture I liked, I saved it. Then I searched suburban California homes, and then went through the same process and saved an image I liked. I loaded both images into CapCut and lined them up perfectly. I loaded the man in and lined him up perfectly and put a little black wine above him, just like it is the MrBeast thumbnail. I went on to adjust the lighting and the coloring of all three images, as well as adding the before and after letters. After that, I loaded the background image into PicsArt and loaded the main image on top of it to give it a white shadow behind it to give it this glow effect. Once I adjusted it to a level I liked, I saved it, loaded it back into CapCut, changed the brightness of the whole image, and then it was done from there. And here's the final product. I want a rating 1 through 10 down below. You let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm being y'all with another tutorial soon. I don't know what it's gonna be yet. Y'all stay tuned, man. Gang.